Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up your Wyze security camera. This is actually a pretty neat camera. It has a night vision. It's full ADP, full HD. Zoom in here. There we go. And then 8x digital zoom, motion and sound detection, and night vision, of course, and free 14-day cloud storage. It's a 1080p, like I said, Wi-Fi indoor camera, and you can download the app on either your iOS or your Android Google Play. Things that come in are the charger, of course, the camera itself, a knob that I can't find, manual, of course, and then a mount, a metal mount. The unfortunate thing is that if you do want video playback, then you will have to purchase your own micro SD. Alright, so let's get started. So first we're going to want to go to the Apple Store. I have it on a phone. So we're going to just go to the Apple Store. So I'll go back, Apple, and then we're going to look up Wyze. I think I'm saying that right. There you go. I'll update it later. But I do have it on my phone already. So we're going to go to the app. And from here, if you already have a camera, then you can just go to here and then add a product. And then here it'll say all the different products. So I got Wyze Cam. I don't know if you guys can see that. Come on. Focus. Ooh. There we go. Wyze Cam, can, sensor, all their different products. Okay, so first what you want to do is obviously you want to power on your camera. So I have my USB. Actually, before that, if you do have a micro SD, then you can actually just put it in, which is going to be at the bottom. Unfold that, and then you put it in here, right here. So you're just gonna have to follow the way the picture is. So it's gonna be like this, and then if it doesn't go in properly, then just don't force it. Probably just put it in the wrong way. So here I did put it in right, but my finger will. Oh, maybe it won't let me. So I'm just gonna take my USB lightning rod and just push it, and then you'll hear a little click, and then that's it. And then now we're going to want to plug in the power. Do this right here. Of course, I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video, don't forget to subscribe. And obviously like, comment, anything you guys want to do on my channel. Helps me grow my channel and lets me continue to post the videos regularly for you guys. Okay, so we're just going to wait. Do some, go blue and yellow. You'll hear a little bit of ticking. Okay, so we're going to want to keep this out for now. We're going to go back to our phone, and then here we're going to find Wyze Cam, which is what mine is. We're going to plug into the outlet. It tells you literally what to do step by step. Flashing yellow. Next. And then now at the bottom, it says right here at the bottom, hit the setup, which is the setup is right here. we're gonna do this. You should hear. Oh, maybe we gotta hold it. Hold on a second. It might be that I'm using a USB. One second. I might have to go find my knob. Oh, maybe not. Oh, there we go.
Ready to connect.
So it'll say ready to connect. And then here it'll say, I heard ready to connect. And then we're gonna wanna find your Wi-Fi network. So I'm just gonna keep mine private. And I'll just keep saying ready to connect. So I'm gonna put in my thing. I will tell you guys that 5G network is not supported on the Wyze. I don't know why.
Ready to connect.
So we're gonna have to obviously change that. I know some of you guys probably have a like a Wi-Fi extender, just like me. So we're just gonna have to switch the network for a second. And how you do that is that you can just go through your settings and your Wi-Fi settings, and then you can connect to the network, and then it'll just automatically connect through the Wyze app. So just give me 1 second.
Ready to connect.
There we go. Okay, so I'm to the
Ready to connect.
gigahertz. Okay, so now I am on my internet, and then now you're gonna take this QR code and you're gonna put it right in front of the Wyze.
QR code scanned. Please wait.
And you'll hear that QR code scanned. You're gonna check that off. And then it's going to start connecting. Turn it over.
Setup completed.
And then you'll hear setup completed. And then here are all the different options on where you're going to place it. So I'm just going to put it in the kitchen. And then finish, and then you're gonna let it load. You can share it with a family member. I'm gonna share it with someone. Okay. We're gonna share that. Hit done, and then you'll see start connecting, authenticating, and there you go. And then now you should see what your camera thinks. So see, you got my fingers in the background there. See, and there you go. And how to look at view playback is you have to enter obviously the camera that you want to view, so you can just enter it, and then at the bottom you'll see view playback, and then you got to give it a second to connect. and then you hit view playback, and then it'll view your playback. I don't have anything right now because I just connected it. But yeah, and that's basically it. And then you can also, I should probably say, you can also, in your settings, you can go to event recording, which it will detect motion and the sound, or you can even schedule when you want your camera to start turning on. So if you're gone from 8 to 4 every single day, then you can just set it up that way. I just like recording it all day, just in case. And then yeah, and then here's just a bunch of different options, different menu options, alarm settings, notifications, detection settings. Detection settings is how sensitive you want the camera to pick it up. I have it at 50. I honestly used to have it at 10, which I'm probably gonna have it, or 15. They pick up everything, even like a little speck of dust going across the screen, it'll pick it up. And it's very annoying going through everything, like all your events, if, you know, if you have like 10 events and they're all just dust going across. So I would just advise to put it at like a 10 or something. And yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions about the Wyze security camera, feel free to message me or just comment on the video and I will reply. Alright, thanks for watching. This is How to Get Tips. Keep teching on.